Hello friends, welcome to the Reactive Indian. Today we are going to talk about Devi Brahmacharini, goddess of endurance and resolve. On the second day of the Navratri, Mother Divine takes the form of Brahmacharini. This is quite beautiful and yet powerful form of Durga Devi, where she undertakes severe penance to attain Lord Shiva as her consort. Brahma signifies tapasya or penance. Charini means female, follower or devotee. So Brahmacharini means who undertakes penance. Let's see form of Brahmacharini Devi. Devi is in her simplest form, draped in a plain white sari. She holds a kamandal or a water pot in one hand and rosary beads in the other hand. Devi is the unmarried version of goddess Parvati. She has a meditative aspect and her face manifests bliss and calm strength, a mark of intensity of the austerities as she has undergone. What Devi represents? Since Devi spends most of her time meditating, this day is good for meditation. Devi blesses those who undertake fast, chant mantras and meditate devotedly with love, success, knowledge, and wisdom. It is believed that praying with steadfast devotion to Devi can help devotees attain the power to control their senses, achieve what their mind is set upon, and ultimately attain moksha or enlightenment. Since Brahmacharini Devi has undergone harsh penance, she also takes away the sufferings of her devotee. Why Devi took the form of Brahmacharini? Devi was born to the Lord of the Mountains, Himvan, and his wife Menavati. As she was the daughter of the mountain Parvat god, she was called Parvati. From her childhood, she heard many tales of Lord Shiva from sage Narada. Being thus influenced, she was determined to attain the Lord as her consort. At this time, Lord Shiva had renounced worldly ways and had become a sannyasi, spending his time meditating in the Himalayas. Parvati undertook to look after his abode, cleaning it, keeping his food ready, and decorating it with flowers. She would also meditate and pray. At the first, she ate very little, surviving on fruit and flowers. But over time, she reduced her food to just leaf. Ultimately, she completely gave up food and water. She slept on the bare floor, meditating constantly. After following such austere practice for 1,000 years, an old man visited her. He berated Lord Shiva, calling him a mendicant. Listening to this abusive language made Parvati angry. She loyally defended the Lord. Impressed with her devotion and constancy, the old man, who was in fact Lord Shiva in disguise, revealed himself and agreed to marry her. In reality, Goddess Parvati was the reincarnation of Lord Shiva's first wife. The meaning of Brahmacharini refers to the virgin aspect of energy, newness in the depicted in the second form of Durga. It can be compared to the rays of the sun. While the sun rays are old and have been around for millions of years, they still have a fresh and new feel as they shine every day. Do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching.